told you I'm a rubber duck. Today I actually got a new co-host that helps me a lot. His name's Piaf. Today's challenge is going to be a game of Fighter. What's Fighter? Why are we all in a big circle? It's because you guys are going to be in a circle, and there's this marker right here. We're going to spin it, and whoever gets the land will fight, and whoever loses will not be up for elimination, and whoever wins will be not up for elimination. So, do you guys get it? Yes! First, we have to get you all up. First, 12 minutes later. Okay, now we have all of them, and since the last one, since Purple Daisy won last time, she gets to spin at birth. Okay. And your fighter is going to be Badoof. Okay. First round. Fight! Okay, I'm going to start. Badoof wins. Badoof over on the win side. Purple Daisy over here. And this time will be baseball player. Spin. Okay? And you'll be fighting. Oh, you landed on yourself, so spin again. You'll be fighting sheep. Okay, now 3, 2, 1, go! Sheep wins. This time, goal player, you get to spin. You'll be fighting Bikehead. Yeah. My dad is into grades. Wait, what are you doing? I think that's it. And Bikehead wins. Oh, come on. Okay, Soldier, spin. You'll be versing. Person next to you, that'll be Chicken. Soldier, you're going to be versing Chicken. At least I brought one of my extra guns. Gobble, gobble, gobble. And 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa. Ow. I have a gun. Oh, weapon! You're out! You're out! What? Drop the weapon. So you're out. And you're safe. Okay. So, Luigi, spin. You'll be versing football. So, yeah! Been waiting for this. Okay. Now fight. Oh, ow, oh, ow, 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 ow. Oh, mamma mia, Pazzeroni. And Luigi's out. So that means Luigi goes over here, and football goes over here. Rockstar, your turn. Oh, yeah. He's going to go down. It'll be Tiger. Roar! That was easy as cake. Well, not that easy. Okay, now, Pig, your turn to spin. Pig, you landed on yourself, so you get to do the person about next to you. That's the dragon, so... Okay, go. Okay, I got you this time. No, you Exposito! The scene future better stop eating cake. And this side, and you win! Yes! Now, Bear, you get to choose. Yes. Bear, you put an empty spot, so you'll be versing Leopard. Bop! Button. Final match. Alien versus Surfer. Go! Oh! Alien's down. And this part wins. So you guys, vote for somebody. Okay, we're going to vote, and here are the results. The person off the show tonight is going to be... Oh! We actually got some mail. The person was going to go home tonight was going to be Dragon, but since for the gun attack, sorry soldier, you're out. What? You guys voted for soldier over me? It was the police thing. Is there going to be a revote? Who will eliminate next time on Total Drama? Rub it up.